write our equations that are parallel and perpendicular to a line given to us. So let's write them as in our point slope form. All blurry. And then we will want our final answer in y equals mx plus b. Remember, you have to read what your question is asking for. So first, let's identify the slope of the first line. So looking at this example, we've got write the equation of the line that passes through this point and is parallel. So our slopes are the same to the line here. So this is ny equals mx plus b, so my slope is the number in front of x. So m is -4. So what is the slope? So then identify the slope of the second line. So what's the slope of the second line have to be? It has to be the same, so m equals -4. And then we're going to write our equation with this point in our point slope form. So just like we've been doing. So y, this is my y1, this is my x1. Remember, we have to change those signs. So this will be y minus 7 equals -4 times x plus 2. So if we're asked point slope form, that's it, point slope form. Point slope form. If we're asked to write it in slope intercept form, I need to distribute this -4 and then add the 7 to both sides. So y equals -4x minus 1. So if we're asked for slope intercept form, we have to remember to handle the parentheses first and then get y by itself. Okay. Another example you might see, same kind of question, write the equation of the line that passes through this point and is parallel to the line here. So this is our standard form. Remember, this is ax plus by equals c, and our slope in standard form is opposite of a over b. So my slope of my first line is -1 over -3, which reduces to +1 over 3. We're still looking at parallel lines, so the equation, the slope of my second line is going to be the exact same. So we've got y plus 1 equals 1/3 x minus 3 using that point. X and y changing the sign. So ask for point slope form. That is it. Asked for slope intercept form. We have to solve for y. So y equals 1/3 x minus 2. Alright, so same process, same thing for perpendicular lines. We just have to remember our slope is opposite, reciprocal. So first identify the slope of the first line. So m of the first line is 2. Then identify the slope of the second line, opposite reciprocal, so second line. This one is +2, so we're going to change it. Remember, underneath every whole number is that imaginary 1, so when we flip that fraction, it's -1 over 2. Then we're going to use y minus 3 equals negative 1/2 times x minus 4. Again, if it's asked for point slope form, that is our answer. If we want slope intercept form, we have to distribute what's in front of the parentheses, and then y equals negative 1/2 x plus 4. And then move that number x to get y by itself. Alright, again, same thing. Let's identify the slope of the first one. First slope. Remember, that's opposite of A over B. So then the slope of the second one, second slope, this is a negative, so this one has to be a positive. And then we want to flip that fraction. So instead of 5 over 3, it's 3 over 5. Y minus 1 equals 3 over 5 times x plus 5. That is point slope form. Y minus 1 is 3/5 x plus 3. Add this one over here. Y equals 3/5 x plus 4. This is slope intercept form.